In today's video, I'll show you how to install enhanced native trainer in GTA 5 to spawn vehicles, change weather, and access powerful gameplay controls. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click on script to V and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin, select script.v and then put 8.dll, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open the enhanced native trainer and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Once done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press F4 to open up this native trainer. Using up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to vehicles, vehicle spawner. Choose the vehicle type you like to spawn and choose the vehicle. And to close this menu, press the F4. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.